Hello. Today I'll be explaining the first three slides from the Visual Aids speech slideshow. The first slide is about the life cycle of an alien species, xenomorphs. They start off as eggs. Once they hatch, their first stage of life is called a face hugger, which is a claw-like creature with a tail on it. Then they turn into chest busters, which is a kind of worm or snake looking creature, eventually turning into adult xenomorphs, then the last stage of life being queen xenomorphs. The next slide I'll be explaining is about how to change a flat tire. First, you will lift the car using a jack, then remove the lug nuts, which you will turn clockwise to do so. Then you will remove the tire and attach the spare to the tire bolts, exactly the same way the old tire was placed. Tightening the lug nuts will be your next step. You will twist the nuts the other way around, obviously. Then you will lower the car, stow the jack along with the damaged tire. The next slide I'll be explaining is about the demographics making up the population of cruisers pre and post-COVID. Pre-COVID, in 2018, baby boomers made up 50% of the cruising population. Gen X made up about 25%, Gen Y and Gen Z collectively making up the rest of the 25%. You can contrast this with the recent demographics of 2024, where you can see the baby boomers are about half of what they used to make up, 25%. Gen X is about the same, 25%. And Gen Y and Gen Z each take up 25%, collectively making up twice as much of the percentage as they used to in 2018. This can be because the baby boomers have gotten older, and the younger generations getting older as well. Or I could also imagine that Gen Y and Gen Z fully appreciate the freedoms given to them after experiencing COVID. Thank you.